Welcome to today's review, where we take a closer look at the all-new 2025 Honda CRX. A modern take on a beloved classic, the CRX returns with a fresh design, innovative features, and performance that's ready to excite. But does it live up to the legacy of its iconic predecessor? Let's dive in. First impressions. The 2025 CRX brings a bold and sporty look that's both modern and nostalgic. The low-slung body retains the compact, agile vibe from the original, with updated elements like a sharper, more aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a rear spoiler that not only looks great but improves aerodynamics. At 167 inches long, it's small enough for tight city streets, but don't let its size fool you, this car packs a punch. Inside, the CRX offers a minimalist, yet high-tech cabin. The sport-inspired seats are comfortable, with a choice of cloth or leather upholstery, and the steering wheel feels just right in your hands. The dashboard is clean, with a digital gauge cluster and a large 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Though compact, the CRX offers surprising practicality with decent rear seat space and enough trunk room for a weekend getaway. When it comes to performance, the 2025 CRX delivers. Under the hood, you've got a choice of two engines, a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder that produces 190 horsepower or an all-new hybrid powertrain that combines efficiency with a respectable 160 horsepower. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or taking it to a back road, the CRX feels nimble, quick, and responsive. The suspension is tuned for balance, offering a smooth ride without compromising on handling. The lightweight design and low center of gravity make cornering a joy, giving the CRX that go-kart-like feel that enthusiasts love. Tech-wise, the CRX has you covered. The 10.2-inch touchscreen is intuitive, and the standard Honda Sensing Suite includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. Plus, the available wireless charging pad and upgraded sound system make it clear that the CRX isn't just about performance, it's about making every ride enjoyable. For those who want efficiency, the hybrid model shines with impressive fuel economy figures. Expect up to 40 miles per gallon in the city and 45 on the highway. The turbocharged model is no slouch either, delivering 30 mpg city and 38 mpg highway. Great numbers for a car with this much fun built in. What makes the 2025 CRX stand out? It's a perfect blend of Honda's legacy and modern innovation. Whether it's the powerful yet efficient powertrains, the sharp design, or the tech-packed interior, this car appeals to both the driving enthusiast and the daily commuter. It's a sporty compact with the practicality of a hatchback and the thrill of a performance car. And now, let's talk price. The 2025 Honda CRX starts at $25,000 for the base model, while the hybrid variant begins around $27,500. It's not the cheapest option in the segment, but for what you get in terms of design, performance, and technology, it offers excellent value. So, there you have it. The 2025 Honda CRX is a sporty, tech-savvy, and efficient compact car that stays true to its roots while embracing the future. If you're looking for a car that's fun to drive, packed with features, and still practical enough for everyday life, the CRX might just be your perfect match. Let us know what you think of the 2025 Honda CRX in the comments below. Would you pick it up over its competitors? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching.